Today we're going to discuss the chapter 9, which is therapeutic community. So based on dictionary, when we say therapeutic, relating to the healing of process. So therapeutic community. The therapeutic community or TC is an environment that helps while helping others. It is a treatment environment. The interaction of its member are designated to be therapeutic within the context of the norms that required for each to playing the dual role of client therapy. So when we say therapeutic community, kailangan structured siya for environment design para ma-foster doon yung personal growth and healing through mutual support. So in that ways, kailangan ma-adhere yung specific norms and principle para ma-guide yung behavior and interactions. So why therapeutic community or interactions is very important as an individual? So within a therapeutic community, sobrang purposeful niya. Kailangan nai-include dito yung active listening, yung empathy, and especially yung non-judgmental acceptance of other experiences. So based on the interactions, nag-help din siya to gain insight into their own behaviors, emotions, and especially ma-develop dito yung healthier and safer mechanisms. So in that ways, guys, it is very important na ma-explore as a members yung feelings and behaviors without fear or judgment, especially yung rejection sa atin. Kasi it is being a responsibility for their own well-being and to help others to do the same. Kasi kapag dual role of client therapist naman sa therapeutic community, nagpi-play siya as a dual for the client and therapist. Kaya nga therapeutic, which is therapy. Big sabihin, kailangan nagigain yung pinaka-therapy natin to seeking health and personal growth that is also offered to support and guidance to the others. And kailangan din dito, ma-collective din natin dito yung wisdom, yung provide receiving support and sense of community. Kasi tayo as an individual, tayo din yung bumubuo sa community. So kailangan nakikreate dito yung space for personal explorations and development. That's all. Thank you po. Next. Reporter, please.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, classmate. Therapeutic community look like the operation of the community itself in the test of the resident, working under staff supervision, work assignment called job functions, are arranged in a hierarchy according to seniority, individual progress, and productivity. These include conducting all house service, minor repair, serving as apprentices, and running all department, conducting meetings, and per encounter groups. So, ibig sabihin lang po nito, dito po ay isang job function para magkaroon ng mas maayos or mas makonduct ng mas maganda yung isang groups meetings. Kailangan involved sa isang per groups yung magkakaroon ng productivity at maayos na proseso. Yun lamang po.
Okay. So therapeutic community modality program. Can you please read Mr. Vano the first?
Okay, first paragraph.
Yes.
It is a self-social learning treatment model with utilities in the community as a primary therapeutic vehicle to foster behavioral and attitudinal change. In this modality, the person learns and practices skills and responsibilities through structure activities that they can transfer to society upon their release. Each participant is expected to be contributing member of community and develops the impetus to change by being a member of community.
All right. So this is a program that helps people, especially inmates, change their behavior and attitudes by living and learning together in a group. Instead of getting help one on one, they support each other as a community. They take part in daily routines and activities that teach them useful skills, responsibility, and discipline. These are things they can use to live better lives when they return to society. Everyone in the program is expected to join in, help out, and be a positive member of the group. By being part of this community, they are encouraged to change and grow. So today, the Therapeutic Community Modality Program stands as the most important and widely used program in jails run by BJMP. It is the foundation of inmate rehabilitation and personal growth, helping persons deprived of liberty or PDLs prepare for a better life after release. So this program is now being implemented in most jails across the Philippines, proving its vital role in changing lives and shaping a more positive future for inmates. So I already explained the second paragraph. So next reporter, please.
Cardinal rules in therapeutic community. Alam naman natin na ang therapeutic community ay lugar para sa pagbabago at paggaling. Para mas lalong maging effective ito, may mga patakarang dapat sundin ang lahat ng nasa loob ng community. Hindi lang ito basta ayos na samahan sa loob ng community. The first one is no sex or sexual acting out. Bawal ang anumang uri ng sexual behavior tulad ng pakipagtalik o malisyosong kilos. Ginagalang natin ang boundaries ng bawat isa at pinapanatiling safe at focus ang environment. The second one is no drug or alcohol. Walang pwedeng gumamit o magdala ng droga o alak sa loob ng community. Dito, layunin natin ang recovery. Kaya kailangan maging malinis at malayo sa bisyo ang mga nasa community. No violence or threat of violence. Hindi pinapayagan ng anumang uri ng karahasan, physical man o verbal, pati ang pagbabanta. Gusto natin na ang environment ay kalmado, marespeto at supportive sa isa't isa. The last one is no stealing. Mahigpit na ipinagbabawal ang pagkuha ng gamit na hindi sa'yo. Tiwala ang pundasyon ng isang therapeutic community. Kapag may nakawan, nawawala ang respeto at seguridad sa loob ng community.
Hello guys, good afternoon. What is therapeutic community mission? To promote human and social transformation among our clients and among ourselves. Ito guys, yung pumapalob dito kasi yung therapeutic community, ito yung tumutulong sa atin upang makapagbago. Ito yung nagagabay sa atin para maging maayos tayo sa maling landas na kinukuha natin. Tapos, dito guys, kaya mas gumagaling yung mga pumapasok dito dahil ganito yung ano nila. Halimbawa sa may isang drug rehabilitation center, 'di ba yung mga kliyente may kanya-kanya tungkulin yan eh. Halimbawa, paglilinis, pagluluto, tapos mga pagbibigay ng feedback, mga ganon. Hindi lang mga doktor, tapos yung mga counselor yung nagbabantay sa kanila. Yung mga, kumbaga yung sarili nila, ay yung mga matatagal na doon, ginagabayan din nila yung bago para mas mabilis ba, ganon. Para mas mabilis, ano kasi di ba pag bagong pasok ko pa lang, malala na yun eh. Kaya yung mga matatagal doon, ginagabayan na nila yun para mas mabilis ang pagaling. Yun lang guys. Thank you.
What is the therapeutic community vision? By the end of this decade, therapeutic community shall have become the corporate culture of the Parole and Probation Administration, terminating its plans and programs and practice and confirming its status as model component of the Philippine correctional system. This means that the therapeutical community aims to become the core culture of the formation, establishing it as the model for the Philippine correctional system. Next reporter, please.
Restorative justice. Restorative justice is the process through which remorseful offenders accept responsibilities for their misconduct, particularly to their victims and to the community. It is a system of criminal justice which focuses the rehabilitation of offenders through reconciliation with victims and community at large. Pag sinabing restorative justice, siya ay nakapokus sa pag-aayos ng damages na dulot ng crime. Imbes na parusahan lamang ang nagkasala ay binibigyan din dito ang pananagutan ng offender. And binibigyan din ng pagkakataon ng mga biktima na ibahagi yung nararamdaman nila. Dahil ang layunin ng restorative justice ay ayusin ang hidwaan at tulungan ng both parties na makahanap ng solusyon at magkaroon ng pagkakasundo. Ang komunidad ay kasali rin sa proseso ito ay upang mapanatili ang kapayapaan at pagkakaunawan.